Director of Miss Philippines Worldwide. Now, Kurt, and to everyone, before we give you the opportunity to ask Kurt the question, we want to give this opportunity to Kurt to receive some words of gratitude and words of appreciation for us reigning kings. Let's start with the Mr. Pilipinas Man of the Year 2026, Michael Toledo.
So, good evening everyone, good evening to our media partners and to our beloved sponsors. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide for inviting us here to witness this great accomplishment our brother Kurt has achieved. It is such a great feat for the Philippines, what you did, and you did it with such cultural pride and excellence. And I can really say that this is your destiny, brother. And I just want to say that the Mr. International organization is so lucky to have you as their brand ambassador, because you truly fit you truly fit the characteristics that they are looking for. And I just want to say that before you cherish your moment, continue to be an inspiration to others and hold the title with dignity and respect. And hopefully your win is an inspiration to us to better prepare ourselves to our upcoming competition. So thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Hey.
Okay. Thank you so much, Michael. Now let's move on to our Mr. Pilipinas Manhunt Supermodel 2025, Mr. Raven Mansabi.
Hello everyone, once again, good evening, and brother. Congratulations, man. Do you remember the night where we were competing as Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide candidates?
I do.
And Mr. International, or even Mr. International 2024 is there. I already said back then, bro, I already feel it, you're going to win the Mr. International. And guess what? Mr. International Kurt won that. Round of applause.
Thank you, bro. You said it many times, man.
Yeah, I'm always saying like, you're going to win the Mr. International. I knew it, and I was never wrong. Kurt, you serve as an inspiration for all of us kings, and on my coming pageant, man, I will always remember those thoughts and those lessons you just told us. Congratulations, brother.
Appreciate it. Always here to know, man.
Thank you so much, Raven. Now let's hear it from Mr. Cosmopolitan, first runner-up himself, Mr. Kenneth Marcelino.
Hello po sa ating mga media partners and sponsor, Kuya Abu, and the first Miss International Republic of the Philippines. Hello po. And to Mama Jane, hello po. Thank you for inviting us to him. And yan. And sa playtime po, yan. I need interpreter po. Joke lang. Si Kuya Kurt po is, nilook up po siya. Always look up to you. You're very kind to me kasi you always say, can't think tayo super close. Kasi Englishero po kasi siya, so hindi ako magaling mag-English. Yes. Lagi niya sa akin sinasabi na you have a beautiful face, di ba? Tapos you have a chance to be super bad, alright, di ba? So ginagamit ko yung mga bagay na yun na nakaka-inspire talaga siya sa akin na someday, kung ano siya, kaya ka din maging gano'n. So I'm very thankful. Thank you so much. And dahil ganun ka, you are so very kind, I know that nakukuha mo yung next na Mr. International. So the Philippines, all the Filipino people is very proud of you. Kahit yung magulang ko, cheer nila ako sa Cosmopolitan, pero nung ikaw naman yung lumaban, ikaw naman yung cheer nila. Sa kaya, di ba, super proud ako sa male pageant ngayon. Kasi binigay talaga natin yung best natin. We cannot kabungkal, and we know the remaining kings pa gagawin nila lahat. And ikaw ang nagsilbing hope sa male pageantry. Kaya congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, Kenneth. Now let's move on to the other Kenneth. Mr. Kenneth Cabungkal, our Mr. Supranational fourth runner-up.
That's why we have the couch.
I haven't prepared any speech today, but I just want to share my experience during your finals night. Like watching you alone in my room, I was cheering for you, and I feel like I'm so very happy. In fact, that I think I'm the one who won your pageant. So I'm so happy for you, Kirk. I know you deserve it because you prepared a lot. I was watching you during your duration of your budget, and you were sick, and I was asking you, are you are okay? But everything was earned, and I believe that this is your destiny. Because during our time, during Misters of Filipinas, I remember that a lot of Mr. Pilipinas, a lot of people are bashing me because why not Kirk Supranational? Why not? Why Kenneth? I think this title is meant for you, and God has a plan for you to get this title, Mr. International. And I'm so happy, and I hope that this title will always remind you to stay humble, stay as you are, and continue to do your responsibility as a king. And thank you, brother, for raising our flag and for bringing pride to our country, to our brothers, and to the organization. Thank you so much, and God bless you always. Always.
That's beautiful, Kenneth.
Getting emotional.
Yeah. You need some tissue, brother?
More like too big, bro.
Too big. All right. We have some water for you. Okay, I think it's my turn, even though I'm not wearing a sash. Well, by the way, I'm Kid Cortez, your Mr. Filipinas Eco International. That's right here. Please imagine it. Well, Kurt, congratulations for being Mr. International. You know what? The first thing I want to say is that my mom is really proud of you. First thing in the morning, Kid, that's Kurt. Like, oh, how do you know Kurt? Right? And yeah, she was really thrilled that you won. She was really supportive of you, as much as we are. And all I want to say is that, what kind of pressure did you give us, remaining kings, huh? What is this? What are you trying to say, huh? Well, you know what? Pressure is privilege. That's a good kind of pressure, right? And to all of us, the 4 remaining kings, Jethro of Thailand, and Michael, me, and the Raven, it's all in our head, to not just actually get the title itself, but to prepare as hard as we can, and just be like her. Give your 100% to it, no need to be nervous, just be your authentic self. And that's the impact that you made to me and to all of my brothers. So thank you so much for being that kind of big brother, literally, and of course, holistically. You've been a role model, and I believe that you're going to continue to be like that, given your platform, your international platform right now. Congratulations, brother. I'm just excited for the dinners, you know, the opportunities, and oh yeah, let's have a picture before we ask our executives for their message.
Guys, I want you, don't be mean, be better. Be better. All the good ways.
Here, center. Here, center. 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 Look here. Look.
Okay, I think that's it. Thank you so much, Kings. Michael, Raven, Kenneth. Congratulations, Kurt. This night is just for you. Now, the messages isn't over yet. We have the last Filipino who won Mr. International himself. Mr. International 2014, Mr. Neil Perez.
Good evening, everyone.
Closer, closer. Closer, closer, closer.
Lumakas yung loob ko nung may nagtagalog eh. I will try my best to speak in English.
Let's speak together.
Yeah. I would like to thank you for winning the title because I can now retire from being Mr. International because it was 11 years ago. It's one decade, you know. And when you won, I feel like more handsome because you're so handsome than me.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy, not only the Philippines, but only the other country that you represent is Germany, right? So you're not like representing the Philippines, but representing Germany. And I know the other country is so proud of you also. Ubusan na ako ng English. And yun lang, Kirk, continue and take good care of your title when you're going in or doing everything in the other country, because it's not you are representing Mr. International but the Philippines. You will meet different country, different culture, different people. Show them how Filipino are very hospitable, very good, and everything. Yun lang, be an inspiration to others, especially the people or the
Present Kings.
na gustong maging tulad mo. Yun lang, sobrang proud ako kasi I don't know if I'm the first Filipino who won because I saw some other photos. I don't know. Pero okay lang ako doon. Masaya ako. At sana there is another Filipino who will win the title. Congratulations, Kirk, for winning, and God bless you.
Photo.
Ay, naku yung fingers.
Facial muna daw kasi. Okay, here. Here, sir. Kirk, here. Here, oh yeah. Okay. Okay, here.
Okay,
Here.
okay. Oh my God.
Alright, here.
Perfect here. One more here.
Okay, one more. Okay, one. Neil here.
Neil.
Kirk here. Alright.
Once again, thank you so much.